in the courses with Nick Zach getting on the track for the first time?
We had a great time. I wish we had more track time on here, but we got rained out. The weather, it wasn't on our side. We had some issues here, but we overcame them together. Sharon put together a good thing here today. KJ was a big help, getting all the cars ready, getting the trucks here. So Austin, you know, we appreciate everything. We're grateful for the fans, for people watching. Keep watching, and we'll look forward to the next video, the next adventure.
I thought the track was phenomenal. It was an awesome experience to be able to learn what actually goes into a track weekend, a track day in general. I think we gained a lot of helpful knowledge this weekend, what to expect with weather, what to expect when you're going to meet other people, other classes of drivers. It was an overall great experience. Hope you guys enjoy what you're going to see from this weekend. Thank you very much. Schwick Wheels out.
Ride together, stay together!
Live for Austin, you're the man.
We'll be right back.